Hello student, today we are going to make running mouse. See how it's running. Chalo. So for that we need paper, two papers, marble, okay, small piece of the paper for making ears. This is still I had cut it. Now for the drawing, see this paper size is 7 centimeter by 6 centimeter. This is 6 by 6, okay, this is 6 by 6 square and this is 7 by 6. Chalo, let's start. See, this way you have to draw the leaf shape, okay. See, this shape you have to draw. I will show you one more technique. You can draw a heart shape like this, okay, and I will show you the cutting also of both the things, okay. Cut this on the line. See, after cutting it will look like this. I had cut the heart shape also. I will show, if you cannot draw this way, you can draw the heart shape. Now what you have to do, just cut one side like this, make a pointed, okay. See, this way, just make it pointed. See, this point I want, this will be remaining like that, only just a bit of corner you have to cut it, and this will be the folding portion which we had made for this. This is for the sticking, okay, sticking strip. This is sticking strip, so you have to fold like this. Chalo, how? Now take a glue, stick on the sticking strip, okay, put a glue here, just turn around. Same way for the heart shape also, we had kept the stripping strip, join this way, press it nicely, stick it this way, okay. After drawing this, we were going to draw the, see, just draw a round shape, okay, this way. See, I will show you the cutting. See, just cut in the between. See, this way, cut like this, okay, put a glue and fold it like this, so you will get the standing way. See, this way, okay. After sticking both the things this way, okay. Now the small paper, keep your thing like this, okay. First take your marble, make a circle on this because we have to cut it, okay. So first, see this, after marking this, mark this also, okay. See, keep, can you see, I had kept the marble and make a circle, the hole for that, okay. I'm folding this way and cutting this. See this, I had cut this. Now take a glue, turn around, just put the glue. First stick the tail also, okay. Put the glue on this tail also. Whole thing you have to put the Fevicol. Now keep it on this, okay. Keep it, put the marble inside and then keep it this way. Let it stick. Hold it for 2 minutes. See, after sticking it, I'm just okay. I will show one more technique for the sticking the down portion. See children, I had shown first only we had stick on that and then we had cut, but we can cut this way also and then stick this way also. So you can use any technique. Now eyes. Here also. Now we are going to stick moustache from the paper. See, so you can play with your toy. See, it's running. Enjoy your craft, make your craft. If you like it, please subscribe it, press the bell icon also, and share the video also. Till that, Take care. See you. Bye bye.